kids! Welcome back to our English class. This is Teacher Jackie. And today, we are going to talk about
making a stand with appropriate strategies and providing evidence to support opinions.
Before we formally start our class, I want to tell you ahead what is in store for us for this lesson.
Objectives: identify fact from opinion. Recognize the main idea and supporting details in a paragraph. Appreciate differing viewpoints on issues. Write a paragraph with 3 to 5 sentences expressing an informed opinion. Subjects integrated in these lessons are Science, TLE, and MAPE.
Before we are going to start our class, I want you to prepare the following. Have you ever seen a jellyfish? Have you ever experienced being stung by a jellyfish? Find out how it feels like being stung by a jellyfish with the passage that you are about to read.
Jellyfish. The jellyfish is a poisonous creature that lives in the Pacific Ocean. It does not stay in one place. It floats all around. I'm very much afraid of being stung by a jellyfish. It hurts. The jellyfish stings with its long tentacles which hang down from its body. The only way to protect yourself from being stung is to wear a suit over your entire body. I would rather see a large shark than a jellyfish swimming near me. What kind of creature the jellyfish is? Yes, jellyfish is a poisonous creature. Where can you find them? You can find them in the ocean. Why is the writer afraid of the jellyfish? Yes, the writer is afraid of the jellyfish because of its sting that hurts. What is the only way to protect you from being stung by the jellyfish? Correct. The only way to protect ourselves from being stung by a jellyfish is wear a suit over the entire body. Last question. Why does the writer say that jellyfish is a poisonous creature? Well, you're going to provide evidence from the selection. So how are you going to answer this question? You can say, jellyfish is a poisonous creature because of the sting from its tentacles that hang down from its body. Then you can also add, the sting really hurts and can cause red patches to the skin. Identify which statement is fact or opinion about jellyfish. Let's begin with number 1. The jellyfish is a poisonous creature. Is it a fact or opinion? The correct answer is fact. Let's have number 2. I'm very much afraid of being stung by a jellyfish. Is it a fact or an opinion? The correct answer is opinion. You got it right. Let us have number 3. I would rather see a large shark than a jellyfish swimming near me. Is it a fact or an opinion? The correct answer is yes, it is an opinion. Let us have number 4. The jellyfish stings with its long tentacles which hang down from its body. Is it a fact or an opinion? The correct answer is fact. And now, we are down to the last number. Number 5. The jellyfish can be the most amazing creature in the ocean. Is it a fact or an opinion? The correct answer is opinion. Congratulations!
So there you go. You have just witnessed sentences that are stating opinion and sentences that are stating facts. I hope this time you have an idea what opinion and facts are.
What is an opinion? An opinion refers to a personal belief. It relates to how someone feels about something. Others may agree or disagree with an opinion, but they cannot prove it or disapprove it. For example, I would rather see a large shark than a jellyfish swimming near me. The jellyfish can be the most amazing creature in the ocean.
Now we are done talking about the jellyfish. This time, I want to ask you something. Do you love cooking? Do you cook at home? Find out why Andrea loves cooking very much in the next passage that I am going to show to you.
Little Chef Andrea. Andrea is only 12 years old, but her passion toward cooking is great. She can spend hours in the kitchen without being tired. She loves chopping the spices, mixing ingredients in bowls, and trying out new styles of cooking meat, vegetables, and more. Her parents are always happy when her sweet little voice is heard telling everyone it's eating time. Now let us try to answer these questions. Let us have number 1. What does Andrea do for the family? Yes, Andrea cooks for the family. Let us have number 2. What are the sentences that will support the idea that she loves cooking? If you can remember, the sentences that support the idea that she loves cooking are sentences numbered 2 and 3.
Now, I want you to look at the passage again. Observe how I numbered each sentence in the paragraph.
Look at the passage again. Observe the numbered sentences. Then let us try to answer this question. Which sentence contains the main idea? Which do you think it is? Correct. The sentence that contains the main idea is number 1. Andrea is only 12 years old, but her passion toward cooking is great. Now let us have the next question. Which sentences contain the evidence? Do we have sentences that supports the idea in sentence number 1? Yes, we have sentence number 2, which is she can spend hours in the kitchen without being tired. And of course, sentence number 3, she loves chopping the spices, mixing ingredients in bowls, and trying out new styles of cooking meat, vegetables, and more. Now, I want you to remember that this is an example of a paragraph with at least 3 sentences, something that you are going to do as an activity later on.
This is an example of how you are going to write a paragraph. A paragraph has one sentence that contains the main idea, and then it will be followed or it will be supported by details, which we call supporting sentences. By the way, your main idea can be found in the beginning, in the middle, or at the bottom of your paragraph. It's up to you. The bottom line is you are going to write a comprehensive paragraph. And please take note that you can state your opinion through speaking and through writing.
Let us have another exercise. Nothing will ever be the same again. Smoking gave me throat cancer at the age of 39. Now I breathe through a hole in my throat and I need a machine to speak. Quit smoking now before it's too late. This is from Terrie H. Now let us try to answer some of the questions. Number 1. Who is the owner of the statement above? Obviously, the owner of the statement above is Terrie H. Correct. Let us have number 2. What is Terrie's advice about smoking? Well, it is very obvious too that Terrie advised people to quit smoking before it is too late. Last question. Do you agree with Terrie's advice? Why? Well, I can say if you're going to ask me that question, I will say yes. I agree with Terrie's advice because smoking is indeed dangerous to the health. The nicotine that goes inside the lungs can cause respiratory illness, lung cancer, and many more. An opinion is a judgment, viewpoint, or statement that is not conclusive rather than facts, which are true statements. An informed opinion is a belief, judgment, or way of thinking about something based on information. There are three main factors to consider in how to make a stand in an informed opinion, and these are: number 1, be aware of your own thoughts; number 2, bring out your inner confidence; and number 3, open your way to new experiences.
So I guess I have explained to you what facts are and what an opinion is. This time, we are going to proceed with our assessment.
Choose one topic to write about. Write a paragraph with 3 to 5 sentences containing the main idea and supporting sentences. You are encouraged to share sensible evidences about the chosen topic. Here are the topics. Facebook is a good source of information. TikTok is a good source of entertainment. Mobile Legend is a good strategy game. You will be graded according to this rubric. For your additional activity, this is what you are going to do. In 1 to 2 paragraphs, express your stand based on the informed opinion of the topic below. I hope that real love and truth are stronger in the end than any evil or misfortune in the world. This is according to Charles Dickens. You will also be graded according to this criteria.
That concludes our lesson for today about facts and opinion and how you're going to put your thoughts in a paragraph. I hope that you have learned something from me today. This is Teacher Jackie once again for your English class. Bye-bye.
Pinakagwapa nga babay